PCEX Exchange is a platform that claims to offer a seamless trading experience, but after testing it, there are a few things worth mentioning. The interface is decent, though not as intuitive as some of the top exchanges, and it took some time to get used to. Deposits went through without major issues, but the withdrawal process felt slower than expected, which could be a concern for those needing quick access to funds. Customer support exists, but responses were not as prompt or helpful as one would hope, leaving some questions unanswered. In terms of security, there weren't any red flags, but given the exchange's lesser-known status, it's always wise to be cautious when dealing with funds. Trading fees were relatively competitive, but liquidity seemed a bit low at times, making it harder to execute larger trades smoothly. Overall, the experience wasn't entirely bad, but it wasn't exceptional either. There are definitely more established exchanges that offer a smoother and more reliable experience. If you're considering using PCEX, it's best to start with a small amount and test things out yourself before fully committing.